Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use voice mode with Discord. So if you want to change your voice or want to use the voice mode bot on your Discord, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your browser and you have to search for the voicemod.net. So you can download the voice changer from here. You can easily download it from here by clicking on this button. Once you will do it, you have to set up or log in or sign up on this software. Once you will do it, you have to open it and you will see this type of the interface. So first way is that you have to click on the voice changer here, and once you will click on it, after that you can try it with here myself. After that, once you will set up it, go back and open your Discord and log into your account. Once you will do it, here you will see setting option, click on it. So once you will do it, here you will see video, voice and the video. Here you have to select the microphone voice mode virtual. So select it, and this is the way you can follow it to use the voice mode with your Discord. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.